Colin? Whoops! What? Hey, boys! Keep your ball to yourself! Whoops! We didn't mean to! That's it! You ruined our makeup! Girls, makeup won't help you! That's it! You won't be ruining our lives anymore! We'll separate our room! Don't you dare trespass onto our cool half! Got it? Did you get it, Elliot? Colin, this means war! Huh? This stupid helmet is so uncomfortable! Okay, I'm all set! They will regret it! What are they doing over there? We'll set up a barricade! Boys are so dumb! Our safe barricade is all done! It's time to start our attack! The guys opened fire! What do we have here? Yeah! A beanbag is a great weapon! Throw it! No! Not the barricade! They have great aim! Yeah! I have an idea! Let's build a shelter! We will build an elegant fort! Hey! The girls are building a shelter! It's time for us to make our own fort! Come on! Pull! These walls are so heavy! I strained all my muscles! Who would have thought that building was so easy? Come on! Move! An even ceiling! This plywood is amazing! Now I can tighten all the screws! Real men use hammers! Turns out it hurts! Oh, that looks hard! What if you use tape instead? Nah, I got it under control, bro! Our fort frame is done! Awesome! Let's start painting the walls now! The brighter, the better! Nice job, Molly! I'll paint the ceiling! Whoa! So cute! And now let's add lights! They always make a cozy vibe! I'm a pro at lighting! And I'll make a stuffing cloud for us! Look! We have our own pet cloud! Our fort is so strong! Hey, look! The girls have awesome decorations! We have decor too! I have an idea! Here's our super wallpaper! That's a great idea, Elliot! This wall is marvelous! A garland! Where do we hang it? Obviously on the back wall! We are the best interior designers! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? A giant neon game controller! Long live our video game man cave! A neon game controller! Big deal! What should I use these boards for? I know! We'll borrow nails from the guys! Nails? Yeah, of course! Let's draw a heart on the board and hammer nails all around the outline! Look! It turned out perfect! Whoa! I have red yarn! I'll wrap them around the nails so we get a nice heart-shaped spider web! Now that's a lacy heart! Molly, this is a great Valentine gift for your crush! What? How did you find out? No! It's just a fort decoration! Dragging this mattress is hard! Stop! We're there! Our place is soft and comfy now! Whoever invented mattresses was a genius! Look what I thought of! Use a knife and styrofoam to make a pixel figurine! But it could use some color! Brilliant! Attach the pixel figurines to the ceiling! Colin, why aren't you helping me? What? I'm in the middle of a brilliant technological solution. A screen and a wall. Great! It just needs some neon lighting. Let's turn it into a screen frame. Popcorn? Welcome to the home theater. The girls have a warm, soft blanket. Let's add pillows. Now our fort is very cozy. I have a jar. It's so stubborn. Do you need help? Oh, thanks. Anytime. A regular jar is about to turn into a cute decoration. I need hot glue and twine. Wrap twine all around the jar and tie a bow on top. Put makeup and brushes in the jar. And I'll decorate my mirror. I'll hot glue a string of lights around a mirror. Now my mirror will light up my beauty. Hello! Guys, whose sport did you like the most? Comment your answers down below. It's time to make an alarm. Loud cans and a wire. Let's check out what the guys are doing. Whoops! Oh, we are busted! You were trying to sneak onto our territory? No way, ladies! There is no such thing as too much decor. We'll decorate all the shelves with cute little things. Candles, stuffed toys. You can tell right away that good girls live here. But something is missing. But we can fix it. We need bright felt. Draw different pieces on it. And cut them out. I have a leaf. And I have a fish. It's cute, isn't it? Attach the felt decorations to the sides. I have a magical forest here. Whoa! And I'll have an underwater world. Well done! Look at that! The girls decorated their entire fort. We can do better. We have tiles. We can cover our sides. Simple and stylish. How you like that, ladies? 1, 2, 3. Phew! That was an exhausting workout. Are you tired, biceps? You call yourself an athlete? A crossbar at home is a nice idea because it's great for hanging all my favorite dresses. A pop tube is a new cellular network for happy couples. Oh, Colin! You're hilarious! And you are so cute, Molly! Look at these two lovebirds! I don't like it either! We're gonna tear their pop tube bond apart! Colin, you're so dumb! Molly, I don't like you! What? I'm not talking to you! Colin? You know what? Forget you! Mission complete! Whoa! Our fort is like a palace for princesses! It's fabulous! The guy's fort is a pathetic hut. They are embarrassing architects everywhere. Right hand on blue. Left hand on red. I'm done. This is the most boring Twister game ever. Should we play with the guys? Right foot on blue. Left foot on green. Okay, you won. Hey, Colin, should we play with the girls? Yeah, it's a great idea. Let's play Twister together. No more wars. We won't fight ever again. Hanging out together is way more fun.